I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. When you just click on it, you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications, you come to next here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you come here to enable new conversation here notifications. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here enable new conversation notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.